gonna go over, and this arm is going to slowly turn. This arm is gonna come over. This one. Center. And we're gonna slowly walk. And then look down. Now, I'm gonna go here. This is gonna go down, or maybe like this. It's fine. And you're gonna swing around to the center. Same thing. Go here, or maybe with your hands. So you go all around. And then center, straight, relaxing and breathing. So now we're gonna change. We're gonna go on our knees. On our So now we're on our knees, and we're gonna go into a table like this. Relax. So you go up, hold, breathe. And now down to a cat. Back goes up, down. Go up and relax. You can walk it out. You go all the way to upward dog. Then again, back to downward. Walk it out. This time, this leg is going to come in, and this knee is going to go down, and this arm is going to come up. Here's the hold, and down. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to come out, in, down, and up. We'll go back to this leg. We're gonna stand in, knees bent, arms out. Our warrior pose. We're gonna straighten our leg, and then down, and we're gonna change. Warrior pose. So right now we changed this leg. So now we are going to come together, and we're going to go up into a trick. We're going to wait, hold. Forward. Again. Up. Now we're going to go down. walk, 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 walk to our downward dog. Sorry, child pose. We're just gonna slowly walk, 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 walk. Our head's gonna come down. Relax. Glide our hands behind. And relax. Now we are going to sit. Relax. Good job. Hope we feel relaxed now. And good job today with our yoga.